on keys. Tonight is a very special night for all of us on stage because there's so many new beginnings and endings. Today is our last show of the year, and so it means a lot that it's here with you guys. Thank you for coming. Also, it's my last show without a baby yet. And it's Torre's last show, who's played with me for 5 years almost. So give him some special love tonight. New beginnings, new exciting beginnings, and a lot of emotions tonight. All right, this one's called Cherry on Top. Small boy, big teeth, going in for a bite. Small words, big dreams, spilling ink on your life. And now the champagne's raining on your window, and you're all alone. Dream house built inside a snow globe, but there's no one home. Slow down. Spinning out of control. I've been waiting at every station, didn't notice at all. Looking for a rose without a thought, truth in your hearts. And there'll never be a time before a storm when you miss the truth. Slow down, slow down. And now the champagne's raining on your window, and you're all alone. Dream house built inside a snow globe, but there's no one